I'm Daniel Zaturansky, a co-founder of Powtoon. And Powtoon is a really leading visual communication platform which enables organizations to create engaging videos and presentation without being a professional videographer. We currently have over 16 million users worldwide, with over 1,000 corporate clients on our B2B side. Really, our partnership with Recurly began when we needed to make a transition from a legacy payment system that was shutting down. We were looking for a reliable payment management system that could scale with our growing business. And Recurly was quite a good solution because it was very innovative platform that gave us all what we needed to manage our subscription business. We needed a very quick transition, not to lose any subscribers on the way. So that was for us a very big advantage to quickly transition and just fly without even touching the ground. We had and still we have a complex subscription management needs since we have different tiers, a different level of subscriptions and different features that allowing to different plans levels. So we needed to be really a subscription system that can host it and really work around our needs. We need obviously a reliable payment processing with the right gateways that can serve in different countries and be very reliable in terms of the robust functionality. Obviously, it needs to be a scaling requirement because we were still growing. We were growing very fast, and we needed to help with the scaling up in a different geographic areas. So when we're expanding into new geographical areas, we need to kind of consider a few elements. First of all, local currency. Second is taxation. And then obviously what works best in terms of the gateways, like payment gateways. Yeah, so we've seen different times that there are spike in the front. Recurly really presented us with a solution for fraud, which we implemented very quickly, and it's nearly overnight stopped this fraud activity. And the most important thing is that, as we know, there are lots of credit card declines that happens during the subscription, and quite a big chunk of it, Recurly with this dining system managed to collect or recollect again, and that was talking about big money here. So like hundreds of thousands of dollars that eventually we managed to pick up from the floor with the right implementation. The customer success team really shown a genuine care for our growth, for Powtoon growth, and they really demonstrated through consistent performance and support to really help us on different areas. That's probably one of the most important things, that there is a real partner on the other side, rather than just kind of helping us, supporting us, but really partner that helps us and wants our growth and looking for ways to really satisfy the customers and really help them to achieve their business goals.